see me singing little things. I got 20 likes. I can't sing at all. I kind of sound like a dying whale when I sing. So, I wish you guys luck when you hear me. Oh God, sound pretty bad too. Okay, here we go. Let me sing little things. Your hand fits in mine like it's made just for me. Bear this in mind, it was meant to be. Joining up the dots with the freckles on your cheeks, and it all makes sense to me. I know you never loved crinkles by your eyes when you smile. You never loved your stomach or your thighs, the dimples in your back at the bottom of your spine, but I love them endlessly. I've just let these little things slip out of my mouth, but if I do, it's you, they add up to I'm in love with you, all your little things. You can't go to bed without a cup of tea. Maybe that's the reason that you talk in your sleep. All those conversations with secrets that I keep, though, makes no sense to me. I know you never loved the sound of your voice on a tape. You never want to know how much you weigh. You still have to squeeze into your jeans, but you're perfect to me. I've just let these little things slip out of my mouth, but if I do, it's you, they add up to I'm in love with you, all your little things. You'll never love yourself half as much as I love you, and you'll never treat yourself right, darling, but I want you to. If I let you know I'm here for you, maybe you'll love yourself like I love you. Oh, and I just let these little things slip out of my mouth, but if I do, it's you, they add up to I'm in love with you, all your little things. No, I sound really bad. I can't get high notes anymore because I lost all my ability of high notes in 3rd grade because my stupid chorus teacher worked my vocal cords so hard that I can't do high notes anymore. Permanent damage to my vocal cords. Yeah, I know that was horrible. And yeah, I'm sorry if I deafened anyone. Alright,